Why is it that I always get the Chinese menu through the door when I want a pizza, and a pizza menu when I want Chinese food? Something nice about getting post mail, though. As long as it's not another bill or invitation to another funeral. Here's another one of those old school tips I have for you, and it works better than you might think. Do a physical mailing. In the old days, you might have called it junk mail, and everybody receives it. These days, you need to be a little bit more savvy about who you post your stuff to. Take your list of your previous customers and send them out a little something to remind them that you're alive still. Check in with them. Maybe send them a fun postcard or a brochure or a voucher for something you're selling. Now, sending stuff through email's fine, but so many emails just get deleted before they're even opened. People not even looking who they're from anymore. Now, with the physical mail, they may still throw it away, but you know on the way to that bin that they're going to look at it and read it. That's still increasing your brand awareness. A traditional mail is a great old school marketing tip for you. Marketing Basic 101, definitely. You know what's also marketing basic? Is asking people to subscribe to your YouTube channel by pressing that subscribe button below and hit that little bell thingy up above. What I really want now for dinner is a burger. Where did I put that menu now?